one major mistake that a lot of people make for their foundation routine is that they get a foundation that is lighter than their skin color, usually lighter. Now, if you want to get the right foundation for yourself as a beginner, you have to do the cheek test. Welcome back to Kesy Help Blog YouTube channel, where I talk about all things beauty and a little bit of fashion. So if you're new here and if you are old, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, because I'm going to be having so much more videos for you beginners. And also, if you're old, thank you for tuning in again. Kindly like my video and give me a thumbs up. First things first is to use a primer. I love to use this Pond's primer because it really works very well for my skin. Primer helps your makeup to last longer, and it helps to control your skin. If in case you have oily skin, it's even very important that you use primer for your face. So I'm just going to apply this in the areas of my face where I sweat a lot. So just here, I sweat a lot around my nose, my chin, my is it laugh area, my laugh line. So brushes you'll be needing. Now, you can either use this flat foundation brush. I introduced this brush in my tutorial where I talked about different makeup brushes and their uses for beginners. This is flat top and this is flat edge. I don't really know if there are names to it, but you can either use this to, personally I like to use this too. I use this to apply it on my face, and I use this to blend it out properly. So it depends on you. So these are the three different brushes I think you can use. For this tutorial, we're going to be using classic foundation. This is like my all-time favorite foundation. It works very well for me, like I just love it. So you want to check if a foundation is your color. You just take a little, as you can see, it's almost finished. So you take a little at the back of your palm, and then you apply it on your cheek, and you continue blending until you see that it blends completely in my skin. Now, as you can see, this, it is not lighter or darker than my skin. It is my exact skin color. So this is how you know the kind of foundation you should get for yourself. So I'm going to take a little of this on this side of my face. Now, as you can see, I started out with the inner part of my face. Now you blend it out to the outer region of your face. So now I'm going to show you this part of my face that I've applied the foundation and the other part that I have not applied. So I'm sure you can see that my skin color did not change. So now I'm taking some more and I'm going to the other part of my face. Now I'm taking my beauty blender, and I'm just blending it out. Now, this I'm doing will help to sit the foundation properly on your face. I'm going to show you how to contour and highlight your. So for the lighter concealer, I'm using this shade Cool Tan Concealer Pro. So I'll apply this in this region under my eye. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and apply at the side of my nose. Oops, that's a little too much. So once again, I'll be taking from this excess, and then you put on your chin. Now you can do this So this is how your contour and highlight should look. Now we're going to use the beauty blender. The beauty blender once again to blend it all out. So I'm going to start from this region. So now you want to raise your eyes to get under your eyes. And as you can see, I am not dragging, I am dabbing it on my face. So now I'm done with the highlighters. I'm going to be dealing with the concealers. So I'm just going to like move away from the side I've been using. Now I'm going to be dealing with the concealers. Blending, blending, blending. Masquerade Mini by Juvia. I've had this eyeshadow palette for a very long time, and I use this one for my contour. No wonder it's almost finished. From this, and I'm going to dab. Now I'm going to be using this powder to set my face. I like to use it because it doesn't get my face all white and it's very mild on my skin. I'm going to use this particular one. So now after doing this, I'm going to take my powder brush and blend it all. So here's my powder brush. So I'm just blending it all. So there you go. I'm going to show you a video of right here how it was before I applied my foundation did my contour and highlight and after. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed before, kindly subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot of beginner friendly videos for beginners out there. So I'm going to be doing the finished look, and I'm going to show you how it looks finally.